Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make adjustments to your video or on your video on the Videoleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on this plus icon down below and then select the video that you would like to edit. Click on the Add to Project button and then select the editing mode and click on Continue. After that, slide to the right side of the screen until you find the Adjust button. Tap on it. Here you can make a bunch of adjustments in terms of exposure. You can use this slide above. Then you can set contrast, brightness, the highlights. You can adjust the shadows, saturation, vibrance, warmth, the tint, the hue can be set as well as the bloom. You can sharpen your video, you can structure it, use the offset feature or even duplicate it. So basically these are the adjustments that you can make to your video. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.